Morning brings a new beginning. A solitary predator rises with calm, deliberate movements, stretching its powerful body in preparation for the challenges ahead. Its presence is steady and purposeful, as if it were ready once again to claim its place in a world that never makes the path easy. The life of this lone ruler is a continuous exercise in survival. Though known as a symbol of strength and majesty, its days are marked by trials. The group it once belonged to was lost in a fierce battle, and now it moves alone, yet every step still carries the quiet certainty of one who refuses to yield. As the day progresses, the predator withdraws to rest, conserving its energy for the ordeals of the night. Its thoughts remain sharp and vigilant. Every moment is preparation, for a solitary wanderer can never afford carelessness. When darkness arrives, the predator transforms. Its movements grow sharper, its senses deepen. It is time to hunt. It advances with precision, its body coiled for a rapid strike. One carefully chosen moment is all it needs: the rush, the decision, the silence. The predator secures its prey and feeds alone, as it has learned to do. Through the night, its journey continues. At times, it pauses to listen to distant calls, signs of other rulers, potential rivals. These sounds remind it of its past and of challenges yet to come. One day, it may rise again to confront another and reclaim what once belonged to it. When the first light of dawn returns, the predator's breath steadies. Another night has passed, but its story is far from over. It moves forward, resilient, majestic, and resolute, part of an endless rhythm of survival. This predator is more than a hunter. It is a solitary sovereign, moving through its trials unbroken, carrying its story onward as if knowing its journey is far from finished.